Hello students, open your textbook page number 298. So today we are going to study about the next explorer. Okay, so first we have to see the choose the correct answer. So first is the dash where the age of exploration. So 1400 is where the age of exploration. Second, Christopher Columbus was born in dash in Italy. So answer is Genoa in Italy. Third, Columbus spotted dash on his first voyage. So Columbus spotted the Caribbean island on his first voyage. So student, next explorer is a Bartholomew Dias. Bartholomew Dias, and year what? 1451 to 1500. Okay. Then Bartholomew Dias was a Portuguese explorer who sailed around the southernmost tip of Africa in 1488. So he was also a explorer, and he is a Portuguese explorer. What is the name? Bartholomew Dias. And Bartholomew Dias sailed around the southernmost tip of Africa in 1488. So the student Bartholomew explored the which continent? Africa. Okay. The king of Portugal had appointed him to discover a trade route to India. So he also wanted to know the sea route to reach the India, or he also wanted to discover the India. तो बार्दोलोमियो को भी इंडिया में आना था. ओके, सो ही द किंग ऑफ पोर्तुगल, तो जो किंग थे पोर्तुगल के, उन्होंने उसको अपॉइंट किया किस लिए? टू डिस्कवर ट्रेड रूट टू इंडिया. तो उन्होंने उसको इंडिया में जाने के लिए, इंडिया में बिजनेस को करने के लिए उन्होंने बार्दोलोमियो डायस को ट्रेड रूट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सेंड किया. ओके, सो इट वाज ऑन हिज रिटर्न वॉयज दैट ही डिस्कवर्ड द केप ऑफ गुड होप. ओके, बट he was also failed to discover trade route to India. So when he was returned, or when his return journey was started, that time he discovered Africa. So it is called Cape of Good Hope. The Africa's name is what? Cape of Good Hope. He originally named it the Cape of Storms. Okay, so his discovery opened a new route to India. As a result, the Europeans could trade directly with India and other parts of Asia. मतलब क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? जब उनकी रिटर्न जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई, उनको तो इंडिया का रूट मिला, लेकिन वो इंडिया तक नहीं जा सके. तो उन्होंने रिटर्न जर्नी स्टार्ट की, तो उन्होंने क्या डिस्कवर किया? अफ्रीका. ओके, अफ्रीका. इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ केप ऑफ गुड होप. एंड व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल नेम? केप ऑफ स्टॉर्म. And after the discovery of Bartholomew Dias, the new route is open to reach to the India, and because of these, all the Europeans, they could trade directly with India and other parts of Asia. Are you getting my point, students? See, this is a Bartholomew Dias. So he discovered Africa. And then next explorer is Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan, 1480 to 1521. Okay, so Ferdinand Magellan was also a Portuguese explorer. Bartholomew Dias also a Portuguese explorer, and Ferdinand Magellan also was a Portuguese explorer. He led the first expedition that sailed around the earth. So his first journey was what was his first journey? Sailed around the earth. Okay, so student, so in 1519 he sailed across the Atlantic Ocean and reached South America. Okay, so he started his journey in 1519 and from the Atlantic Ocean, and he reached to the South America. he found a narrow sea passage at the southern tip of South America, which is now known as the Strait of Magellan. So, which continent he find out? The South America, and which is known as the Strait of Magellan. So, when he started his journey from the Atlantic Ocean, or he sailed across the Atlantic Ocean, then he reached to the South America, and that time he found a narrow sea passage at the southern tip of South America, and that narrow passage is called the Strait of Magellan. Magellan, why? Because that passage is found out by Ferdinand Magellan. So name was given Strait of Magellan. After sailing for many days through turbulent weather, he reached calm waters and named it the Pacific Ocean. And after sailing for many days, the weather was very unsteady and were violent. मतलब खराब वेदर था और वो सिर्फ सेल कर रहे थे, ओशन सीज में सेल कर रहे थे. And after some days, the Ferdinand Magellan reached to the other ocean, another sea, and that sea's water is very calm. That's why he named that ocean as a Pacific Ocean. Okay, मतलब जब वो सेलिंग कर रहे थे आगे जाने के लिए, तो वेदर इतना खराब था तो उन्हें और बाद में वो बाद में ऐसे जगह पे गए, ऐसे सी में गए, वहां का वाटर इतना काम था. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू गिव नेम दैट सी एज अ पैसिफिक ओशन. Okay, so Pacific Ocean, this name is given by Ferdinand Magellan. Many weeks later, Magellan and his crew landed in the Philippines, where he was killed by a group of natives. Okay, and after some weeks, the Magellan and his ship were landed in the Philippines, and in the Philippines, the Ferdinand Magellan and their group was killed by a Philippines people. Only one ship from the fleet made the voyage around the world, proving that one could go around the world. And only one group of a ship went to the voyage around the world, and proving that one could go around the world. And only one ship did this journey, and that proved that it's proved that one could go around the world, means कोई भी वर्ल्ड के अराउंड जा सकता है. Then Magellan's voyage laid the foundation for trade between the west and the east. And because of the Magellan, means Magellan को वहाँ के जो फिलीपाइंस के जो लोग थे उन्होंने मारा. ओके, उनको किल किया. लेकिन Magellan ने क्या प्रूव किया कि कोई भी आदमी वर्ल्ड ट्रिप में जा सकता है विथ ओनली वन ग्रुप. ओके, सो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द जर्नी ऑफ द Magellan, it is laid the foundation for trade between the west and the east, and because of his journey the trade between the west and the east will be started. His discoveries opened new doors to larger world, and his discoveries of the other countries opened the doors to the larger world. Means because of the journey of Magellan, the trade means what? Business is started between the west countries and the east countries. Okay, so student, this is about the Bartholomew Dias and the Ferdinand Magellan. So student, write these glossary, turbulent and the natives in your notebook. Okay, so student, read this topic again. If you not understood, we will again discuss these in our Google Class Meet. So complete your homework. Thank you, students.